Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, and I gotta tell you, I absolutely love this blanket. This thing is cooling. It wicks away any moisture from the skin, and it just has like a cool feel to it. The best way I can describe it is when you flip over the pillow, and that other side of the pillow is ice cold, but it feels perfect. That's what it is. It's super dry, it's super cool, and it feels so nice on the skin. They use advanced blanket technology here. We're talking blanket tech. And guess what? This thing is amazing. Japanese designed, jade nanoparticles. I don't know the science of it, but tiny, tiny, tiny little threads that are going to keep moisture out and just keep you feeling cooler than the other side of the pillow. So folks, if you want an amazing blanket, this one is incredible. Now, I live here in Florida, and it is hot and muggy. You see those windows? That is humidity on the windows. You see that? That should be a clear window. It is that humid already this morning in Florida. Well, guess what? This fantastic blanket is gonna keep that humidity and moisture off of me. This is gonna keep me covered. I like to have something on top of me, like when I'm working, when I'm napping, whatever it is, to keep the wind off, to keep whatever off. But this is not just going to keep the wind off, it's going to keep the moisture down, keep me snug as a bug in a rug, keep me warm and cozy. You can't beat the jade nanoparticles. This is bedding tech, blanket tech like I've never seen. You're going to want to go ahead and pick it up. This company is dedicated to keeping you cool, and it's definitely working. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. You can see how this blanket just hugs onto your skin. That is great, like it keeps a tight, tight grasp onto you, right? You can see it just grasps around my legs, and it feels great. It's like wearing those, like on a cold morning, putting on those perfect pair of sweatpants, like that are just perfect, except it's moisture wicking. All right, folks, go ahead and pick this up. You won't be disappointed. It's a great product. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I show you products I own and I love. You've seen all my videos. You're gonna love this product. And do me a favor, stick around for the up close portion of the video where we show you all the product details too. All right, folks, here it is, the Arc Chill Cooling Blanket, cooling like no other. This is the Pro 4 QMax of 0.4, and this thing wicks and feels so good. It's just so comfortable. Here in a hot state of Florida, I absolutely love it. So let me get this thing open for you. There we go. There we go. So exciting. Boom. These blankets, I've got the 5 and now I've got the 4, are so comfortable. I love them. You're gonna love them. ProArt just does a great job. It's that Japanese technology from the Goken company. And guess what? Oh my goodness, there we go. There we go. Jade nanoparticles. The secret is your jade nanoparticles. There we go. Pop it off. Pop it open. Oh, this one's in gray. Is this houndstooth or heathered gray? I'm not sure the exact term for it, but it is a pretty color, right? Those people in Japan are just so smart, and their cooling technology is so cool. So, I don't know. It's like a nylon polyurethane. I don't know. It's just such a soft material. I'm going to see if, like rubbing my hand across it, right? You can see how there's like no friction, and it's literally cool to the touch. I can't describe how cool to the touch it is. It absorbs heat and keeps you cool, keeps the vapor off, keeps the sweat off. It just feels good on the skin. This is perfect for here in Florida where it gets so muggy, so hot and muggy, folks. All right, folks, my name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. If you're looking for the blanket of blankets, the best of the best, the one that you can forget the rest, well, this one is fantastic. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. This is a great blanket. Stretchy, smooth, so cool. Like, it's cool to the touch. I don't know how else to explain it, but you know how like when you're sleeping and you flip the pillow to the other side and it's super cool? That's what this feels like. It is so good. All right, thanks again for watching. An amazing blanket. You're my best friends. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for going down that lonely road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you. Go ahead and pick this up. Adios, amigos.